Hey Parways, this is Jeff with Zucker Marketing. Thank you so much for making time to talk with Eric, and as promised, here's your website analysis. So I'll be going over some few things that can actually help you rank higher, bring you more traffic, and of course, get you more customers. So let's start off with your website. You actually have a pretty good looking website. You have your logo here, you have pretty good photos, nice layout, and you have your clients here, ongoing projects. So yeah, there's actually just some few other things we're going to talk about first to get you on top of the search list. One thing I can tell you right off the bat is that Google loves content. Google would actually like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage. And in addition to this, the more content you'll have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So of course, if you want to beat out the competition, you really would like to have 1,500 words or more. So let's go ahead and do a quick count just for us to see how many words you have on your homepage. So currently you have 323 words, which is quite behind with the goal of 1500. So one of our main focus now would be adding more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider us as a trustworthy website. Another thing I would like to talk about are keywords. Google is actually looking for keywords, so it's looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And of course, Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. So I actually did a quick search of the construction company in Dallas, Texas, and we'll be talking more about the results that we have here. Starting off with the first one, this is what we call the map pack. And this is actually something wherein you really would like to be on since these are the ones that generates a lot of traffic and a lot of attention. And these are actually easier to find. And one way for you to be here is you'll need to have Google My Business profile, wherein you'll enter as much information as possible, like the company name, phone number, email, company address, hours of operation, photos, so on and so forth. And also, if you add those same information in as many directories as possible, like on Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie.com, that will also help you a lot to appear in the map pack. Moving on to the next part, these are what we call the organic searches. So these are actually all the website that ranks higher without people paying for any ads, just because they're doing some certain things. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So I pulled up one of your top competitors' website and let's see what they're doing differently. So looking at their website, they have a pretty good looking website as well. They have their logo here, pretty good amount of content, nice photos, nice layout. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dig deeper with the numbers instead. So this is Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that we're actually using for us to have some more information on the back end of your website. We'll be talking more about the numbers, so let's start off with DR. So DR is actually the level of trust that Google has in your website, and UR would be the strength of your website. Backlinks, on the other hand, these are other website that refers to your website. So they're like shout outs from different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and alike. So I also have your competitor's website pulled up here. We'll be comparing the numbers and we'll actually see what they're doing differently. So looking at DR and UR, it actually shows that they have more numbers, which just simply means that Google finds their website stronger and a more trustworthy website. And the reason for that is because they actually have more numbers with backlinks and keywords, which actually resulted to more traffic. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk more about backlinks and keywords. So let's start off with backlinks, or what we call the referring domains. So as you can see, these are all the directories they're actually listed in that brings them a lot of attention and a lot of traffic. That's why they're currently ranking so high in the searches. Um, Also with the organic keywords, these are all the keywords they have listed on their website. So when customers search for the specific words, their website will show on top of the list. And if you also look at the numbers under volume, these are all the, hits or clicks that they're actually getting per month with the help of these keywords. So that's actually how important in choosing the right keyword is to have on your website. That way, more customers will be able to find your website easier and quicker. Another thing I would like to share about keywords as well is what we call the hidden keyword. So let's go ahead and use this photo as an example. If we save this photo and instead of naming it with a generic file name, well, you can actually rename it with a hidden keyword. And you can do the same thing with the other photos you have here. That way you'll have more hidden keywords. And not only that, for those words to not to be repetitive on your website as well. So just to wrap things up, the most important things that we can definitely do for us to improve your ranking would first be the amount of contents or the amount of words on your homepage so that Google will actually consider us as a stronger and a more trustworthy website. Next will be the backlinks, wherein we're going to add your website to more directories as possible. And that way we can add more traffic to your website. And also, of course, the higher chances of you in appearing in the map pack. Last but not the least would be the keywords, wherein we're going to help you out in terms of choosing the right keywords to appear on your website. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. So that's all that I have for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to call or email Eric back so that he can actually tell you the next steps and the other things that we can do. Thank you so much for your time. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.